Welcome to another episode of 2-Minute Tech Talk. Today's topic is portal blood. We've seen a lot of comments online. Is this stuff the real deal or is it just a gimmick? You can see here in front of me, I have 3 containers, one with standard gear oil, one with premium gear oil, and this one here is portal blood. We also have added water to each container, and we're going to shake these up and show you how the oil mixes with the water and then how well they separate. Let's get started. While we wait on this stuff to separate, check out this real nice 4-inch GDP Portal with a 30% gear reduction, clear lid, and filled up with portal blood. You can see with the gears in motion that the portal blood clings tenaciously to these gears and never flings off. In return is going to keep your bearings and your gears running cooler while also inhibiting rust and corrosion. It can't get much better than that. So after giving these 3 containers a little time to settle and separate, you can see that the standard gear oil did not do great. It is still very murky, and all the testing we've done, it never truly fully separates. Here you can see the premium gear oil. It did a decent job. Water's still rather murky, but it did separate pretty good for a premium price. Here in the middle, we have the portal blood. As you can see, it's separated the best. The water's the clearest. Did a very good job of separating. So with portal blood, if you were to get water in there, you're able to pull your drain plug out until you see any water running out. Let it all run out, stick your plug back in there, fill your portal back up with portal blood, you're good to go. Water's removed out of the system. And this is just a little perk that's going to save you a little time and money if the issue is ever to arise. Here's another example of how well portal blood clings and climbs the gears compared to the other 2 oils. You can clearly see that portal blood aggressively climbs the gears to get lubrication to the gears and bearings quickly. I hope this video gave you a better understanding of portal blood. We sell it by the bottle or by the case of 6. For more information on this product, check us out online at SuperATV.com or give us a call at 855-743-3427. We'd be happy to help. Go get your portal blood today.